So at this point you can see I have the handlebars off. I've taken the grips completely off of the old mini apes. So I just have my brake reservoir just hanging out up there. And my clutch side just hanging down on the alternate side of the bike, sorry. I'm gonna be replacing the top clamp now. It's just sitting right over here. And we're gonna get that put up on the bike so we can start mounting these handlebars. Nice and snug. The hardware's back in on the side of this new triple tree, and everything's ready to snug down. It's all Loctite in place and ready for me to start mounting up these handlebars and getting these hand controls on.